Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock, and let's identify where can Tesla stock go this week, and most importantly, how high can it go? And well, when I say how high can it also go lower? We'll talk about that as well in this video because it all comes down to the structure of the price action and what the chart structure is showing us, right? So guys, with that, buckle up and also please hit the like and subscribe if you find my videos valuable and helpful. And also please remember, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes, all right? Also guys, before going into the in-depth analysis, I also want to let you know that if you are interested to follow along in the journey of mine, that is the dividend investing, I am setting up a public portfolio and I'm sharing the moves as I'm making. I just did a video on providing an update on my first week of starting this portfolio. So check these videos out, subscribe to this channel if you wanna follow along in the journey with me. And with that, let's come back here to Tesla. All right, so guys, to kick this thing off, we are looking great on Tesla. This is, I'm on the daily interval, and as you know, I have been saying that guys, this is where we have found support at 20 and 50 days moving average, and once we went up above 175, even though we have had sell-offs, I kept mentioning that guys, this is most likely going to form a higher pivot, higher low, and 20 days moving average has been giving it that support from last 2 days, and 20 days moving average is also above 50 days moving average. So yes, and we are above $175 again, that I wanted to see at least Tesla close this week to confirm this pivot of a higher low and higher high. So yes, we are looking great on Tesla. Now, before going further, I want to start off with the weekly interval and how high can we go, right? We'll talk about all of that in just a second. So on weekly interval, we were rejecting this 20 weeks moving average on the first test. These important areas, also the upper side of the channel, these things do react and reject in this particular case the first time. Now, if we want to break it the second time, we need to hold the bullish structure, which even on weekly interval, we are still holding. If you have been seeing my videos on Tesla, I have been saying that if we can continue to form this inverted head and shoulder, this is a bullish structure. And Tesla, as I have been saying on weekly interval, it has already changed the structure, getting above $160 range. So, and yeah, this is a good green candle. Now, if this week we can also close above 20 weeks moving average, that's just is awesome, guys. Right now, we do have a pivot information on weekly as well. Here we go. This is the higher low, right? This area. So things are looking great. Now, yes, let's go back to the daily interval. All right, now, so you got the idea. On weekly interval, we are still forming that inverted head and shoulder. Things are looking great. Now, if we want to stay bullish in this structure, it's very important for us. And not just that, guys, but one more thing I want to tell you, that we are above 200 hours moving average as well, above 20 and 50 hours moving average altogether. Now, if we want to continue to stay bullish, we've got to stay above $175 going into this week. No kidding. Monday or Tuesday, let's say if we don't get above 180 on Monday, we need to get above 180 on Tuesday. That's very important. We got to do it Monday or Tuesday. Anytime if we start to lose this 200 hours moving average, the weakness will come in, and if we lose 175, that's a loss of a pivot from the daily interval as well. So as for right now, things are bullish on Tesla. Things are looking great. I have no problems. Neither do my day trading bots have any problems. They also don't have any problem. Let me show you that as well. And if you want access to my tools, links are in the description below, guys, of this video. You can see great moves, great money, great moves, great money. Yeah. All right. I have 2 trading bots, 2 indicators, and Wall Street alerts. As I said, links are in the description below of this video. All right. Now, let me, yeah, where were we, guys? Hourly interval. All right. So it's very important for us to get above 180 as soon as possible, and that opens up the room to 184. And how high can Tesla go this coming week? Well, so let's take a look at what's the range it's giving us, almost $6.50, right? So let's times that by 5. So that comes around what, 35, sorry, 30, $32 something, right? 32.5. And where we are, 177. So if we just add 32.5 to it, we are at 177.56. So pretty much we're getting to $210. But that's provided Tesla makes these $6.50 move every day. There will be pullbacks, possibly, right? So I would say, how high can we go? If we continue in this bullish structure and we keep staying above 175, break into above 180, then stays above that, we can at least come to the level of, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right over here. This is the intersection point. $188 range is the possibility. All right, so that's likely. As structure is looking bullish, I showed you on the weekly interval the data as well. Things are looking good to me. It's very important on Monday that we hold above 175, and better if we can get above 180. And things are looking in that direction so far. All right. Well, and again, anything like, for example, I mentioned that any position, if it needs to be taken, it needs to be taken at this pivot. This is the candle I talked about then, and the stop loss could be below here somewhere. My day trading bots already gave, buy positions, have been giving buy positions, making money. Swing bot, I'll let you check that for yourself, what my swing bot did. If you have access to my tools, you already know what the swing bot is saying. So, yep, things are looking good so far, guys. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I want to talk about the weekly interval, the daily, and possibly the price to the upside. That is almost 189. That's a possibility in this week as we continue in this uptrend. That's important that we have to stay in the uptrend. Now, can Tesla become bearish, junior trader, you ask? Guys, why not? Like, that's why we, again, that's why we have stop losses, and that's, we, as you know, 80-20 rule, right? 80% we pick up a direction, then we prepare 20% as well. What if 20% probability is always there? So if, let's say, Tesla wants to change the structure, it needs to break below 175 and close below 175 on Monday, and then things will again start to look bearish. But so far things are looking great. We are in the start of a next leg up, in my opinion, and that's what we like. This green candle, I already said this could be the great place to take a position. We already made money technically, right? So and if you have been seeing this channel of mine where I'm building my dividend portfolio, I bought YTSL, that is Tesla ETF. If you want to know more about it, check it out. And I'm buying those things technically as well. They pay dividends, and I bought them right over here, these pullbacks. So I'm already like buying things. But again, none of this is any financial advice. I'm just doing my things. You go and do your things. I'm just providing my educational opinion, nothing more than that. Guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful and valuable, please hit the like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.